Hey y'all, Morgan from Charleston Crafted here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to transform plain, clear plastic or glass ornament balls into snowball ornaments. So to do this craft, you're going to need a clear plastic or glass ornament. I like to use plastic because I have a baby and pets, but you can use glass if you prefer. You can buy these in bulk at any craft store. The Dollar Tree sells them, Walmart, places like that. Now to get this snowball effect, you're going to want some snow paint. A few different brands make this paint. You can buy it at the craft store, but I'm using the decor snow-tex paint. And what this paint is, it's white paint, but it has a texture to it. So it's going to give you like that 3D snowy look. So this is an important part, and this is an important part. And that's all you need. You can add glitter or sparkles if you want, depends on the look you're going for. So something to keep in mind when you're painting these is that you're gonna paint the whole ball, so you can't be holding onto the ball while you're painting. So that's where my big cardboard box here comes in handy. I poked some holes in the top. So I'm gonna take the topper off my ornament, and then I'm just gonna stick it in the hole like this. And this gives me a setup where I can paint the balls without having to hold them and that they can dry in place. So let's set that up. Okay, now that all of our ornaments are on the cardboard box, I'm just gonna start painting. So you get some of this paint on your brush and you just apply it using a dabbing motion. So you want to leave chunks. And you want just a really textured effect. Be sure that you get down underneath so that you get the top of the ornament. That's the bottom when you have it upside down like this. And we're just gonna repeat this a whole lot. Alright, now that your snowballs are painted, I did half of mine and I'm going to add some glitter. This is totally optional, but snow sparkles, so if you want glitter, this is the time to add it while the paint is wet. I have two different kinds of glitter, so I'm going to do this half with one and the other half with the other. So I'm going to try extra fine glitter, and you definitely want white or clear glitter, not silver or gold. And then I also have some chunky confetti glitter. These are both from the craft store and they're gonna give different looks. The main thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to put on too much glitter. You don't want it to look like a glitter ornament. You want it to just have a little extra sparkle. So I'm going to start with this fine glitter, and I'm just going to, I think I'm gonna actually, you know this ain't my glitter. Okay, I'm gonna actually pour some into my hand and just apply it like this. It's gonna be easy to get on the top, which is really the bottom of the ornament. And then just kind of pat it on there. The good thing about this paint is that you can touch it. All right, now repeat.